Today, I'm going to show you how to start YouTube automation step by step as a beginner. You will learn the best high-paying niches to choose from, zero-cost softwares, the best researching tools, and most importantly, you will learn how to make your videos go viral from day one. So the first thing we need to do is choose the niche. And there are a few key factors I want you to keep in mind when choosing your niche. Make sure you choose the best and the most profitable niche for yourself from the beginning. Now, to make things clear, finding a profitable niche is nothing more than a numbers game. The more research you do and the more potential niches you scan through, the higher chance you have of finding a winning niche. And the best part is, since YouTube automation is such a new business model, not a lot of people know about it. So there are 3 key factors I look at when choosing a niche for my own YouTube automation channel. The first one is original content. You really want to make sure that the videos you are creating in this niche have a lot of value in them and that you're not just reusing somebody else's content. Bad examples of this would be rain videos, compilation videos, fireplace videos, meditation videos, and even motivational videos. Because most of these videos are made by taking somebody else's work, repurposing it for YouTube, making a little bit of tweaks and uploading it. Now, good examples of this, on the other hand, are any videos that pretty much have a narrator and a script going over the video. Whether that be a list-styled video about football or basketball players, or you make a page tailored to celebrity drama, whatever you do, you just need to make sure it's original content. Now, the second key factor I always look for when doing a YouTube automation channel is the earning potential in that niche. Firstly, you want to make sure that there's already a demand for the type of content you're going to be making. The easiest way to do this is find competitors who are already doing something similar to what you're trying to accomplish with your videos. You want to find new, fresh, and successful competitors that are going into the niche and let them do the exploring. Let them be the guinea pigs. Make sure the competitors you are looking at are making the same amount of money, if not more, than what you're planning on making. And the way you find out how much your competitor is making is by doing this simple formula. So you're going to want to take their number of total monthly views, and you can find this by downloading vidIQ's free Google Chrome extension. I'll have that link in the description so you can download that. You're going to go to that channel's homepage and you're going to divide their total amount of monthly views by 1,000. The reason why you're doing 1,000 is because YouTube pays creators for every 1,000 views they get. Now, the correct term for this is called RPM. Now, you can never 110% be sure of how much a channel is actually making unless you're behind the scenes or the owner of the channel itself. But on screen now, I'm showing you so many different examples and estimates of how much these automation channels are making. Now, the third key factor I always do when choosing a new niche is timing. Make sure that whatever niche you choose, that it is still relevant and that you can still have success with it in today's day and age. You simply do this by making sure that the competitors in your niche are fairly new and they have just entered the market for that niche in, let's say, the last 3 to 6 months. Let's take a look at the AI niche, for example. I could easily find a decent amount of competitors who have been in that niche for less than a year and are already getting a decent amount of views. Even looking at their most popular videos, we can see that they've been posted pretty recently, so that tells me that there's still a high chance that this niche is profitable in today's day and age. All right, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the niche selection part of the video. So just to recap, to make sure you guys have all of this down pat. Number 1, always do your research, because at the end of the day, it's nothing more than a numbers game. And with that being said, now we just need somebody to do the videos for us. But before we just jump straight into hiring, I want to remind you there are 3 different ways you can run a YouTube automation channel. Number 1, we have the free method. You could start from 0 and you can make all the content yourself, and you can choose whether or not if you want to show your face on camera. Number 2, we have the paid method, where you outsource all of the work to people who create the content for you. And number 3, we have the hybrid method, which is a combination of the first one and the second one, meaning you'll do some of the work yourself, and whatever work that you don't feel like doing, for example, script writing, you can outsource that part of the video creation process. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact hiring process you need to do to get people to make the content for you. But if you prefer to do everything yourself, or you may not have the budget to hire a team right now, I highly recommend subscribing to my YouTube channel and turning on that post notification bell, because pretty soon I'm going to be dropping an in-depth step-by-step video similar to this one, breaking down all the other YouTube automation methods to save you the most amount of money and save you the most amount of time in the process. So if you follow the classic route, which is what I recommend, you're going to need a script writer, you're going to need a voiceover actor, you're going to need a video editor, and a thumbnail designer. And don't worry, this won't cost as much as you think. You can get an entire video done for around $40 to $50. Now, there are 2 main platforms I use when doing any type of outsourcing from my YouTube channels. Number 1 is going to be Upwork, which is a great place for finding freelancers. And number 2, which is my personal favorite, Fiverr, because they have more affordable rates. But regardless of whichever platform you end up using, make sure whoever freelancer you end up working with, you need to check the reviews, you need to check their ratings. This is going to give you a better idea of their quality of work and their reliability. Also, start with like a small task or a little trial period before you commit to a long-term contract. This way, you can see if their work meets your expectations. Once you've assembled your Avengers, it's crucial to maintain communication and provide valid instruction for each video. The more specific you are, the better the final result is going to be. Now that you got your niche and your team in place, the next step is to find great video ideas. This is where the real creativity comes in, and it's important to remain consistent with your content. The tools that you need to use are Google Trends and vidIQ. These tools will help you do keyword research in your niches to find out what your competition is doing, what's working in the niche, and what's not working in the niche. The rule of thumb is you want to only make content for what people are searching for. So back to the book summary example. If you have two books, you have book A and book B, and you use the tools like Google Trends and vidIQ, and you come to find out that more people are searching for book A than they are book B, it would only make sense for you to make your videos tailored around book A to bring in the most traffic and the most viewership to your channel. All right, now this is also very important. Please do not forget to optimize all of your videos. Your titles, your tags should all be optimized to help YouTube's algorithm push your video out to more people. Use relevant and trendy keywords, but do not overdo it. You want your content to sound natural and engaging, not like it's stuffed with a whole bunch of keywords. Another thing that you don't want to do is throw your videos everywhere, because essentially to help you go viral, you want the people who are watching your videos to be within YouTube's algorithm. And even for me personally, some of my highest, most best paying videos I've ever posted on YouTube have been videos I did not promote anywhere. It's just been all organic YouTube traffic. And to kind of piggyback off of that, you've got to be regularly reviewing your channel's analytics to find out what is working and what's not working. Use YouTube analytics to track your views, your watch time, your demographics, and your engagement rates. And just like Mr. Beast puts an enormous emphasis on his thumbnails for his videos, you better take that in and make sure every single thumbnail that you make is eye-catching and scroll-stopping. And if I had to boil everything down to the bottom, above all, consistency is going to be the most important thing. Whether you're posting once a day, twice a week, once a month, you need to have a consistent posting schedule so your audience knows exactly when they come back to your channel. Your audience will start to expect consistent content, so using this predictability will help you build a loyal audience. And last but not least, never stop learning. Watch tutorials and learn from the successful YouTuber. Constantly receive feedback from your audience and use it to improve your content. The more you learn, the more you grow, the better chance you have of having long-term success on YouTube. And that's actually gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please leave a comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. And you have any questions or you need any further clarification, or if you even want a video made on a specific topic of YouTube automation, don't hesitate to leave a comment section below. I try my best to get back to everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out.